And Caitlyn from the Imagination Station is here with how to make things really simple. A motor really simple, which I don't think is easy, but you're here to make the tough easy. So show us what's going on today. Good morning.
That's right. Good morning. I was so excited about our mini maker fair happening this Saturday that I wanted to do something sort of tinkery and do it yourself at home in the spirit of maker fair. So I brought the simplest motors. We usually think of motors as being really complicated.
Yeah, like in your car. That's what I always first think of, and I could never imagine building something that complicated.
Well, we're going to today. It's really simple. All you need is a AA battery. Everyone has at home. This is a great way to just drain all of the energy out of a battery really quick. We have some copper wire here. I have some that are bent into some interesting shapes. And we have some really strong magnets. So we're going to use neodymium magnets. I'm going to show you how strong they are. Go ahead and put your hand out like this. Okay. I'm going to put one magnet underneath your hand and one on top. And you can see they actually stick all the way through your hand. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. And it's not going anywhere. It's not going anywhere. The reason it's important to have really strong magnets is we want to induce a current in this wire. Okay. So we're going to take, I've got this really complicated, delicately bent wire. I'm going to connect it to our battery here, which is sitting on top of some magnets. And it's going to make contact with the top and the bottom. And a current that's really, really powerful is going to go through this wire here. Okay. And when you bring a magnet near that, or in this case I have magnets on the bottom, it's going to produce a force. Oh, and that's how motors work at their basis. That's how every motor works.
That's amazing. Wow, that's really actually putting in some work.
Absolutely. I have a couple for you to try as well.
So what is this on top of the battery? Is that just to hold it in place? Or
it is. It's just a little washer, a little cheater to hold everything centered.
I like that.
But I brought a little dancer for you to try.
How
so go ahead and slip her on top of here.
Okay, let's see if she's a good dancer.
And she should start spinning pretty wildly.
There we go. She's having a hard time, but she's doing it.
Yeah, so this is something anyone can do at home. You can get these magnets online or at a home improvement store, bend some wire that you have laying around, a battery. They're pretty fun.
That is so easy, but you guys are doing all kinds of stuff like this weekend, right?
We are. We have so many different things going on. I actually have two other examples of this as well.
Great, cool.
So I have this time we're going to make the magnet spin. So I'm going to stick our battery onto the top there and bring the wire in touch with the magnets at the bottom, and the magnets and paper are spinning.
Wow, and it's all about kind of connecting everything and making it into a loop.
Do you want to try this one?
Sure, let's see if I can break it.
So you're going to hold the wire.
Look, it's still going. We're not even...
still going. You're going to hold the wire on the top of that battery, make it a little warm, and then bring this one like a brush to touch the bottom, just like that.
That is so cool.
And then to amp it up even more, I thought it'd be fun to make the battery and a whole stack of magnets spin.
Yeah, let's do that.
All right, so I'll take this one back.
So are we going to be experiencing some of this weekend?
Absolutely. So we have 30 makers from all over the area are going to be coming with everything from robotics to jewelry making. We're going to have performances all day long. We are even going to be bringing out our laser cutter and our 3D printer as well for everyone to check out.
So all kinds of things maybe you can't do at home, and then some stuff you can maybe bring home as well.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Very cool. All right, let's make some stuff spin.
Last one. All right, so I've got a little ball bearing on the bottom that's going to reduce the friction, and the whole stack of magnets, and it's held upright by these magnets up here above, sort of balancing on the tip. Do you want to give this one a go?
Looks like it's almost just floating there. That's crazy.
It does.
Ooh, see, I'm not good enough at it. There we go. Oh, there we go.
Perfect.
Wow, that is so amazing. So to get involved with this weekend, what do we need to do? Do we need to sign up? Is there an extra fee? What can we expect?
It's completely free. It's part of the Momentum event happening this weekend. So just come on down. It'll be in Festival Park outside. Imagination Station will be open as well.
Perfect. So outdoors, the weather couldn't be better. And this was a lot of fun. Thank you so much, Caitlyn. All right, well, stay with us. WTOL 11, your day is back in just a moment.